Do you need to collect donations? Let me show you how to do it with Jotform AI agents. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to take in donations with your Jotform AI agent. So the AI agent has several capabilities, and one of those is taking in donations. So let me show you how to do this. First thing we need to do is select the agent where we want to add the donation system. In this case, I'm going to use this one, which is a US Constitution tutor. And we can hypothetically say that we want to take in donations for people who want to learn about the Constitution. So it's just an idea. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump over to the training tab. And on the left, there's an option that says tools. In this option, we're going to jump into the search bar and type in donation. And here it is. We have the option to collect donations. Go ahead and select this, and it's a really robust tool to take in donations. So let me show you how it works. First thing we need to do is set a campaign title. So I'm going to say education for law students. I have the option to upload an image. So let's go ahead and select one right now. So I'm going to upload from my desktop. Here we go. And I can upload more images. I want to auto scale the image in case it doesn't fit in correctly. So this is going to auto scale it. Then I have the donation goal. So if you want to turn this on, if you actually have a goal, go ahead and turn it on right here and set the goal amount. In this case, I'm going to set it to $10,000. Here we go. That is going to be the goal. And we're going to view a bar that is going to reflect that goal when it's reached. Okay. Then we have the option to set the donor count. So I want to allow users to see how many people have made donations to your campaign. This is really useful to incentivize other people to donate. So if you already see, for example, 20, 30 people donating, you want to pitch in and also donate. So if you want to display that, go ahead and turn on the donor count. Then we have the agent prompt. How is it going to know when to kick in the donation system? So in this case, for example, when the user wants to make a donation to a charity, that could trigger this. So let's go ahead and do this. Here we go. So I've just set it. So when a user wants to make a donation, trigger this tool. Let's go ahead and save this. Let's finish by setting up the donation amounts here. And by default, it's set to a fixed amount. If you don't want to have this fixed, go ahead and turn it off and they can set the amount that they want to donate. But if this is practical, if you already want to set the type of goal for each one of the amounts, this is just an example. For example, $10 would be 1 day of a student studying law, and that would pay for it. So for example, 25 would be a week, 50 a month, or 500 for 2 months. It's just an idea of how you can use this, or the examples that you're viewing right here. $10 could be a daily meal for 2 children, so on and so forth. So it sets what the amount is for. We can also add a new amount here in case you want to add more. We also have the option to set other amounts. So aside from the fixed amount, you also have the option to allow them to set another amount right here. Then we have the payment connection. You can set this up right here. So add the payment connection here. In this case, if you already have connections, go ahead and select one of these. If not, click on add a new connection and select the payment gateway that you want to use. So in this case, the highlighted ones is the ones that we can use as of this video. Okay. So in this case, I'm going to use one of the connections I've previously made. So I'm going to use this one. Here we go. I can set up the settings right here. So for example, enable one-click checkout with link. Send email to customer. So yes, we want to do that. And we do want to allow with link, charge customer immediately, and create Stripe customer record. So these are options available to Stripe. Depending on the payment gateway that you select are the options that you're going to be able to view here. You can set up each unique customer or for each submission for the create Stripe customer record. It could be for a unique customer and not for each submission. It's up to you how you want to create these records. All right. Then we have the option to set the currency. So if you are taking donations from other countries that don't take US dollars, you can set the currency right here really easily. Once we're good to go, let's go ahead and save. And we have our donation system ready to go. Now to test if this is working, it's super easy. Let's go into preview. We can go ahead and chat with our chatbot right now. We can go ahead and start a random chat or start off by saying that I want to donate. So let's go ahead and say I want to donate. And here we go. We now have the donation system ready to go. You can see here that we have our goal and it's 0 out of 10,000 because no one has donated yet and 0 people have donated. Now I can go ahead and select the amount that I want to donate. For example, $50. Here we go. Or I can enter the amount. Remember, we added the other amount option. If you don't want to have that option, go ahead and turn it off. So we're good to go. I'm going to select $50. Let's go ahead and donate. And it's going to take us to the next section where we're going to fill out our billing information, select the payment method. In this case, with card or Google Pay. Set the details right here. We have the amount for the order summary and go ahead and pay. So it's super easy to take in donations with your AI agent here on Jotform. So what are you waiting for? Set it up right now on your AI agent and take in donations right now. So please let me know here in the comments what you think about the options available for taking in donations in the AI agent section and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that is a wrap.